Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Stamps of Life October card kit, and I'm also showing you the Stamp and Die Hard Club for October. So let's go ahead and jump in and take a look at these great products. First, I have the Peeking Critters. Now this is the idea card that comes in the Stamp and Die Hard set. So you can see here there's some great ideas from the design team. And then here's a look at the stamps. So if you're in the stamp club, you would receive this. And you can see here we've got a little dog, and we've got a koala, and we've got a little bear. We've got those little speech bubbles, and then there's cute little sayings. Just a little squeak to say hello. Hang in there. Hello there. You've got this. For you. Squeak. I'm all ears. Just for you. Bear hugs, and then there's also a little heart. So these are so super cute. Now, if you're not a member of any of these clubs, I will have a link listed down below in the description box so you can join. You can also join using my code MelissaM, and that will earn you 500 bonus club points, which is like spending $5 in the Stamps of Life store. Now, I have these kangaroo pockets that the Stamps of Life released, as well as the magnet here. And so I'm just going to go ahead and unbox my stamp set and my dies here, and I'm going to put this in this kangaroo pocket. One reason I like to do this is because on the reverse side of this magnet, it's just plain white, and so I can put my stamp on that side, and then you can see it very well. You never have to guess which side of the magnet that your dies are supposed to go on. They're really, really sturdy. So I'm going to place my dies here. So if you're a member of the Die Hard Club, you would receive the stamps in addition to these dies as well. So it slides right in. I like to put the card in there for some inspiration. And then I also put the stamp in there. So I'll put the stamp here on the other side. The card doesn't really fit, so you can just put it right here. And then there's a little pocket on the other side of it. Oops, let me turn this around. I'm getting it all upside down here. But then there's a little pocket on the other side, and that way you can put like your little extra pieces that you've cut from your club set, or from your card kit. That was my little kitty Pepper helping me scrapbook today and make cards, so he's on the table. All right, let's go ahead and unbox the card kit. So I love that it comes in this pink box and it says it's Happy Mail time. So that's always fun to receive in the mail. And look at all the products that are included in this month's kit. So we've got some, first I'll pull out the inspiration card. So this is called You Deserve a High Five Collection Kit. And here's some ideas. There's more ideas in the gallery, so be sure to check out the gallery as well on the Stamps of Life website. You receive a large envelope, and then you also receive some envelopes to put your completed cards in. And then this month you receive, I think these are vanilla instead of the powdered sugar, and I'm not sure if the color is called vanilla. I don't use that color very often. Then we have cloud, chocolate, we have ginger snap, and there's artichoke, sunflower, and we've got poppy, cherry, and then slate. So really, really pretty colors this month. Let's take a look at the paper pad. So this is the paper pad that's included. There's 24 double-sided sheets. So there's 12 sheets, and there's 2 of each of them. So we've got the little Peeking Critters here. We've got polka dots. I love the polka dots. You Deserve a High Five. And then here is the cut apart sheet. So the dies that I just showed you that were in the Die Hard Club, you can use those to line them up on this cut apart sheet. So let me show you here. So we've got the dog. So you can either use the inside die or the outside die, and you would just take these over to your die cutting machine and cut them out. Now, if you're not a member of the Die Hard Club, you can just fussy cut these with your scissors. So these are so super cute. Then we have some speech bubbles. And I like that on the back of the cut apart sheet, it's just a solid color. So I'm not wasting any paper, right? Then we have another cut apart sheet. Now this is an additional add-on, so you would have to purchase this add-on on the Stamps of Life website if you wanted to get these dies, but it's also a really cute set, so I like it as well. And then we've got stripes, more polka dots, and we've got now a smaller version of each of these. So You Deserve a High Five, polka dots, smaller speech bubbles, and then we're back at the beginning, I think. And then the add-on set was called More Peeking Critters. Okay, you also received this. This is an A1 Talk Bubble Folded Die set, which I absolutely love. You can make it into a shaped card, but you could also use this by itself. You could use it on scrapbook pages. I think it's so cute, and I definitely am planning on making some cards with this today. You also receive a sticker sheet. So here's all the cute little critters with some sentiments on them. And then we receive these. These are like little felt speech bubbles. And on each of these felt speech bubbles, there's a little heart. So you receive these in the matching colors. We got sunflower, poppy, we've got slate, and it looks like artichoke. So those are really cute. Next we have some ribbon, and it looks like this is in the chocolate color. And then I love when they include the bows, so you can use your ribbon and then put a really pretty already tied bow on there. And then we've got some dots, and this month it's silver, and I love that they come in different sizes. I always love to mix and match the sizes. We receive a word die that says You Deserve a High Five, both the words and the shadow die. So here, I'm going to put a piece of paper under here so you can see that a little better. I really like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started making some cards. So I did a little prep work off camera, and I cut out the sunflower cardstock, the pattern paper, and some white using the speech bubble set. And then I'm also bringing in this all occasion word die set, and it has the stamps too. And this was available on the HSN website, the new HSN stuff that was just released in October. I said in my unboxing for my HSN video that these were, I was going to grab these all the time, and that is so true. They're perfect for everyday cards. So I'm going to use a little bit of liquid glue here, and I'm going to go ahead and put the sentiment on. I cut this out in the black cardstock, and I just have thanks so much. The reverse tweezers come in really handy when you are using these smaller dies. I could have used adhesive sheets. In fact, I really should have, because I do have a lot of them. I just didn't think of it until after the fact, right? So I'm going to go ahead and glue all three of these together. Now, I'm not making a shaped card like it's intended. I'm just going to make a standard A2 size card. So I'm going to glue all of these together, put my word sentiment on top, and then I'm going to put them on an A2 card base. And I just have white card bases today. So looking at the colors here, I brought the paper pad out because I did want to mention that if you're ever wondering what color you're working with and what color of inks to grab, you can look at the bottom of the paper pad and it tells you the featured colors. So my cards are going to be very simple and basic, but sometimes I really like that clean look on a card. This is a card that you could easily mass produce, and I think it's super cute. All right, I'm going to bring in the sunflower ink and my little ink tool here. Let me just make sure that's the color I want. Yep, that's the right color. This is sunflower. So I'm going to put a little bit of ink down on my card, and I realize it looks a little messy on camera, but in person it doesn't look as splotchy like this. So I don't know why on camera it looks like that, but it's really pretty in person. Now, to help me get everything lined up, since I've already put my card pretty much together, I'm going to go ahead and use my Misty tool so I can put my stamp on here. And I just got this like new grip mat recently, and so it's really sticky. But I love it because it doesn't move things around, so I don't even have to use magnets. It just sticks right to it. All right, so I'm going to put my sentiment on here. So remember, this one says thanks so much on the front. And then on the inside, I'm stamping the stamp that says, you are so kind. So I'm going to grab some Forever Black ink, ink up my stamp, close the Misty door, Let me go ahead and ink that one more time. And now we have "You Are So Kind." Let me put that stamp back so I don't lose it. Close my MISTI door. Oh, I don't want to make sure I don't get any ink prints on my card. And now I'm going to bring in some of this twine. And I love this black and white with it. So I'm not using the ribbon that came in the kit. I'll save that for some future cards. I love how in the card kit every month you get card bases, not card bases, cardstock envelopes. You get ribbons and like gems. So I like to put all those like things together, and then when I'm creating, just pick something out. So I have a big collection now of ribbon that I've collected from these kits. All right, I added a few gems and that card is done. Let's go ahead and start working on our next card. So it's very similar to the first one. I told you these are ones that you can mass produce. So again, I'm using that A1 Talk Bubble Fold It set. And this time I've cut it out of the Poppy cardstock. I've taken a piece of the pattern paper from the paper pad that came in the kit. And I picked out this polka dot paper that has the poppy color. And then I also cut another speech bubble out of plain white cardstock. So I'm going to add my little word die on here, hello, and that's from that same set from the HSN All Occasion word set. And I'm going to glue it to a white card base. And then with this one, I think I want to stamp a sentiment on the front. And I'm going to use the word my friend. So let me take this over to my MISTI again and get this lined up. Now I wish I would have put this just a little bit closer to the bottom because it's going to be pretty tight to get my speech bubble on here, but I know I can do it. I'm going to put that stamp away so I don't lose it. Again, trying to pick it up very carefully so I don't have inky fingers. And see how it's kind of like, I'm going to have to put it a little bit wonky on here because I should have put my friend a little bit more towards the bottom, but it's okay. I like that it's not perfectly centered. I think that's super cute. Again, I'm going to add some more of this black and white twine, and then we'll add a few gems. So let me go ahead and get this tied. I like to use my reverse tweezers here just to hold it so I can get a good knot. You can also use the reverse tweezers when you're tying a bow. I'm going to snip the ends, and there we go. Now this one I forgot to put the gems on. I will do that later. Okay, one more card because we're mass producing here. The same concept, the same card idea. This time I've used the slate cardstock, some white cardstock, and then the striped pattern paper from the paper pad. All the papers in the paper pad this month are perfect. I mean, I love all of them. We've got, like the chevrons, we've got polka dots, the speech bubbles, the cute little critters. I love the paper pad this month. So if you are a club member, you can go out and purchase another paper pad. And if there's any additional on the website, if there's any additional available, they do place those for sale on the website. So this is one I'm definitely going to want more of because it's a really good one. Again, this word die is from the HSN All Occasion set. It's so perfect. Happy birthday. And then let me use my white card base here. Oh my, I had two together. So let me use my bone folder here. Just give that a good crease. Add some of my liquid glue. Add this to the front. And then for my sentiment on this one, let's see, happy birthday. And then I think this says have an amazing day. So we'll get this on the MISTI again, line it up. And let me look at the paper pad and see what color. Let's see, that was poppy, right? I have my little T-square ruler. Sometimes I like to use this just to make sure I'm getting my sentiment straight on here. I think they have one that's made specifically for the MISTI. I don't have that. I have one that I can use with my cards and stuff too. So here we go. I've got that stamped in poppy. Have an amazing day. And that looks really pretty. I like that. And now I'm going to need to add some ribbon. Now I don't think the black and white would look very good on this one. I found this other color in my stash. Now this one wasn't from the Stamps of Life. I think I picked it up maybe at Michael's. But I'll go ahead and I found this color And at first I thought it was red, and then I got to looking at it and I'm like, no, it's poppy. It's the same color. So I was really excited to use this one. So we've got poppy ribbon here, or twine. So let me go ahead and tie this one. And then again, we'll add our gems. And now we've got 3 cards that are super cute, super fast, super easy. You could create these really fast. Oh my, this one's sticking to my finger. Let me get the tweezers out, see if I can get that down. I like to use like 2 in one area and 1 in another. So here's the thanks so much. Here's the hello, my friend. And now I'm realizing I forgot to put those gems on here. So let me go ahead and add those. So we've got 1 here. We've got this again, it's sticking to my finger. So embarrassing. Does that happen to you? Let me get this one down. And then I'll add 1 more up here on the top. So I've got my 3 gems. Hello, my friend. And then I've got the happy birthday. Now I also made some additional cards that I want to show you. And the first one here is one I made at the beginning of the month for the Stamp and Die Hard Club release with a little critter on there. Isn't that cute? So I've got that one. And then these other 2 you will see on the Stamps of Life YouTube channel. A quick little video tutorial played with some music, and you'll see the process for this one. You deserve a high five, my friend. And then this one, I love this one. It's got the little speech bubbles, and then it's also got that felt bubble, and then the little critters that were cut out from the paper pad. So that's a look at all my cards. Please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!